I really forgot I didn't vlog today. I was just editing a vlog and I'm like, oh shit. Oh beep. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a beep in. Hey. I forgot I didn't vlog. I did go to the gym though. I vlogged the gym. And then I came back to the house. And it's like now. Even though it's 6:04. Hold up. Hold up. Even though it's 6:04 and I went to the gym at I think 9:50. I didn't do much today. But me and Malik are going to the place where we're staying for the summer tonight, so I might be able to show you guys, so stay tuned on that one.
Let me see how secure. She didn't let him realize it. Now use the stairs. I'm too lazy.
Look at this. The stairs to the first floor was this easy. Like, first floor. Oh, taxi. Yeah.
She probably rushed.
No, I walked.
Right?
You know, I have the video footage to
wait.
prove. Yeah, the thing.
I forgot.
Plus, remember his room is the apartment number is 205? 203.
Bye, cousin.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Oh, you both are leaving me. Yeah.
Yeah, come give me. You know it happens, right?
Okay.
She gonna have a great plan to do.
Mommy Malik, if you're watching this, Malik is only leaving me tonight because her mother is coming tomorrow. Explain to my mother, please.
I'll talk to my mom.
No,
Auntie
explain
Becky,
it
watch the
to
vlog?
my mother, please, because she will watch this and say, anywhere you go, Shade go. Anywhere Shade go.
Mommy's coming tomorrow.
What?
Mommy's coming tomorrow. Come out the room.
All right, thanks. Bye. Malik, I said Malik a taxi service. I got a box.
Babu.
Bye. I am. Hi guys, so I'm in Oakland. This is my outfit, and yes, I have it on right now, but guess what? I'm wearing this again tomorrow because I just took a shower and it's not even ironed. This is like it. This and this happening. And my armpit looks so gross a while ago. It's cute. Abs. My top. I was wearing my top like this, but on the other side. It looked cuter on the other side. I was wearing it like this. This is my shirt. This is what it looks like. I would love to do a makeup video, but I don't wear makeup. I don't wear makeup, but I would love to do one. The mirror is there's a lot of toothpaste on the mirror. And yeah, all right. Good morning, guys. Okay, I'm about to open the window. I washed my face. I need to go brush my teeth. I was just editing this video. It's currently 6:26 a.m. I woke up around 5 something, which is amazing, but it's still later than what I normally wake up. because if it was 5 something now, it would have been 6 already in Buffalo, and I would have woken up at 4. But I'm content. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna go over to the place I'm staying today, this morning. I'll show you guys. Oh, I'm so tired. I need to have more energy. I need to get some like vitamins. You know, British people, or I'm not gonna say all British people, but British people I've seen on YouTube, some of them say. Never mind me. I don't know what I was gonna say. But anyways, this is what outside look like. Well, this is what the window looks like. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. So guys, I finished uploading. Oh no, I didn't. I finished editing my vlog. I'm waiting for it to upload to YouTube. Yes, today I need to go over to my uncle's place. I still need to go over to the place that I'll be staying this summer. I need to go over to my uncle's shop and collect something from him. I also need to go visit my father's side of the family, and I need to go to NHC, and hopefully I get to go to the gym today as well. But that's reaching, so I don't know. Yeah. Hey guys, it's only been like, I don't like when videos load like this one. It's only been 5 minutes since my, okay, I can't do this. It's only been 5 minutes since, oh my god, since I last talked to you guys. But I'm watching this movie, and let's see, you can hear my computer suffering too because it's still trying to upload the video. I should watch this instead. Never mind, I'm not gonna watch that movie anymore. But this movie, 200 Pounds Beauty, is a Korean show. It was on Netflix, but it's not on Netflix now. I love Boys Over Flowers, and yeah, some good Korean movies. But Okja was actually really good. It's in English, but it's just, I mean, they have some Korean too. It's like half English, half Korean. And she's a popular actress too. Like, a lot of them are really good, and there's some other popular actors. This one was really good. I recommend it. I watched it already. Which other one? There's some other stuff, but Terrace House is amazing. Love Terrace House. But this is not what I came for. I wanted to watch 200 Pound Beauty, but it's no longer on Netflix, and this thing keeps doing. Alright, no, it doesn't want to do it. So maybe I might watch it. Alright. If it freezes one time, then I'm not watch it. But yeah. Well, I came here to say absolutely nothing. Alright. I need to shave my legs. I'm gonna change the outfit because I was never even gonna wear the shorts. I just wanted to see if it still fit me. But I hit up the gym today. Yeah, I'm not wearing this shorts. I'm gonna find something like leggings or something. But yeah. Can you see? A mess. What's such a mess? Can you see me? I think they can see me. This is before. I'm gonna do an update. I'm so actually I didn't wash my legs. I don't wash my foot. My foot look crusty. Yeah. Ooh. Come on, knee. Look at that. You don't want to see my toes. I need to pee. I started to dance and do this when I need to pee, and it's terrible. But this is the before body. Yeah. Ooh. Ah. Alright, I'm done. Alright, guys. I got a story time to tell you real quick. Just something that happened. So I was scrolling through Instagram, which is so stupid, but you know the World Cup is going on, and I saw Rihanna with a Brazil picture up, right? So I clicked on it, and I'm just like, this couldn't have been any time this year. This couldn't have been yesterday. This couldn't have been last week. This couldn't have been no time this year, because Rihanna gained a lot of weight in the video and the picture. She was very, very, very skinny. So I clicked down just to see if anybody else noticed what I noticed. So it was definitely 2014. This guy had asked, oh, is this 2014 or was this yesterday? So I clicked to read more because, you know, I'm nosy like that. And this girl, like, everybody's saying, oh yeah, 2014, 2014. This girl was like, no, it's definitely yesterday because there was a Brazil and Belgium game. And one girl was like, no, it's 2014. And she was like, well, I got Google and Google clearly works, blah, 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 And I'm just like, should I mind my own business or should I intrude? Normally I don't intrude, like I screenshot and I post it and I laugh about it. But I'm like, let me just give this is how I broke it down and this is how I know it's 2014. So let me just give my 2 cents. So I told her, Rihanna gained a lot of weight, so this could not possibly be the recent game. Plus, Brazil was at the finals in 2014, and she was supporting them. So she commented back, oh, people don't know how to respond. Yes, she commented back, people don't know how to respond. I'm just stating some simple, whatever. And that's when I'm like, I know she's not talking to me. I know she's not talking to me. At this point, I'm just like, okay, Twitter fingers going off on Instagram, okay? So I'm like, okay, well, I'm responding back to the original question was asked if it was 2014 or yesterday. And she tried to come up with some lying excuse talking about, oh, I was only responding back to the picture. If you're responding back to the picture, why did you answer the man's comment and give him the wrong answer? I don't get it. You gave him a whole entire wrong answer when he asked you, was this 2014 or was this yesterday? Nothing about Rihanna. It was nothing about the picture. It was about when. I was very upset. But now I think about it, that was childish and I should have never commented. Like, I let myself get influenced by these nobodies and she did not respond back. Yeah, tough chat. Too much. Anyways, that was my story time. I'm weird this video. I'm weird. So I'm all moved into our little space. I need to clean. There's the living room, kitchen, the bathroom, bedroom, and the closet are around that corner. Yes. Life. Yes. Good morning. I'm going down to Glenn's he asked me to come get some breakfast. I'm gonna walk to the stairs. So that's what I'm gonna do. There's a tennis court. Too bad I don't know how to play tennis. Well, I feel like I'm gonna answer that. I don't know how to play tennis. I need help sometimes. But yeah, Let's wash my face and brush my teeth and all that extra stuff. Yep. Alright.
I don't know if I'm gonna eat it. Oh God.
Yeah, Danish. You remember Uncle David?
Guys,
We usually go
guys,
Uncle David.
Guys,
Oh, yeah.
guys, guess what?
What?
A subscriber said to me that she was binge watching my my YouTube videos, and I normally binge watch people, so I'm like, damn, that's love.
She binge watched.
She binge watched.
Same girl, same.
All right. Okay, I just made it awkward. Look at the views. Oh, look. They're just mountain views. Oh yeah, I'm cool.
It's there. But like, no, I had to go to one of my cousin's apartment place. No, cause it's like Ghana, it's very hot and like hard to manage. So we have to leave. No, I'm going to come back later.
I don't have time to be cute.
No, that's why I wanted to call it.
Understatement
because it's
of the
hard,
year. So Shauna, you look so cute.
I really don't.
All right, you say it yourself. The video.
Video me.
What?
I just.
We have a price right in Buffalo. They have a price right too? Oh, that's really cute. I wonder, could it be owned by the same, because you know how there's a Payless here. What if it's owned by the same people? They have all the like Caribbean foods and African foods. That's why I like it. Other places don't have. Let me shut up here. As long as a card?
Guys, please can we up here?
Where's Danny? Right here, sir.
And your card here. And your card and card pen. Yeah, card
I haven't been to this one in forever. Huh? What? The entrance used to be right here.
Who's gonna help me lift up? Who's gonna help me lift up all the stuff?
Waiting on our food.
One quick, please. life when me dream. Living it up with me team. Trusting on myself, me believe. Nobody make nobody tell you say you can't touch it. Living the life.